How to check in at an American airport. Full conversation. Hi there. Welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today you'll learn how to check in at an American airport and speak naturally with airline staff. Listen carefully, repeat out loud, and practice your English with confidence. Let's begin. Airport check-in. Hi, I'm flying to Chicago today. Good morning. Can I see your ID and boarding pass, please? Sure. Here you go. Thank you. Are you checking any bags today? Yes, just this one. Please place it on the scale. Okay. Did you pack this bag yourself? Yes, I did. Has anyone asked you to carry anything for them? No. Perfect. Your bag is all set. Here's your boarding pass. Thank you. What gate is my flight? Gate B12. Boarding starts at 10:15. Great. Is the flight on time? Yes. No delays so far. Awesome. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Enjoy your flight. Fast practice. Can I see your ID and boarding pass? Here you go. Are you checking any bags? Yes, just this one. Did you pack this bag yourself? Yes, I did. What gate is my flight? Gate B12. Is the flight on time? Yes, no delays so far. Great job today. Keep practicing these real-life English conversations every day, and your speaking confidence will improve fast. See you in the next lesson.